Today we're back in Labo channel. Let's play and what is this? I have 48 work, but I have 40. Net connection. Yeah, 40. Yeah, let's make it. Let's see what we have. We have this yellow. Okay, it's very. That is a new color, like this, white. And if I doesn't mix it, it's just one color. But as we know, nanang, 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 nanang. Okay, so this, and we're gonna have so many things going on the train. Yep. Beep 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 yeah. Explosion. Explosion. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we want to do this. It's half the size of a door, bro. This one is like a mob. We found iPhone for 16. That looks like iPhone. Okay, so let's just. Okay, so let's go. I'm just gonna end the video soon as possible. I am making a nonchalant black and yellow, la. We are having this. No, that is too small. Make it big. This is a cage. Make it small. Let's do and now, wow, we are done with that. We are done with that. Now we need a bigger one. Okay, so let us connect it. And let's do two of these. This will really mix in the black train. And this is our train done in 1 minute. 1 minute. This is as long as this, bro. We only need 2, 3 of these, and let us pack. Oh no! What was that? I just got a glimpse of a devil. Yeah, weird. Train. I am a train. Have you ever seen that? Like something like that. Did not get stuck. If you guys wonder why am I doing, don't ask because I am more comfortable in this one instead of this one. I like my voice. I use it for everything. And I like my original voice, but it is too basic and it's too deep. So I can go with ending up for today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please make us go to 500 subscribers. So it was so that will make us make more and more stories for these trains and I like and bye bye.